Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Indian summer flowers. Summer season flowers in India, or what are the best flowering plants for Indian summers. Flowers are one of the most beautiful creation of God that can effortlessly grab the attention of people around them. Here is a list of top 30 summer flowering plants that you can grow, you can bring home, or gift to your near or dear one. First one is lilies. The elegant lilies can be effortlessly survive in the extreme weather conditions. The flower has a unique way of preventing the loss of excessive moisture by letting its leaves dry up while keeping the main bulb of the flower alive. Blanket flower. Blanket flower or the Glaredia is a perennial flower that can grow easily in drought or hot regions, consisting of pure soil. It comes in red, gold, brown with the width of 3 inches and has a short lifespan. Gloriza daisy. The flower is commonly called black-eye Shushain, consisting of yellow to orange petals with a deep brown to the black center. It thrives well in hot climates and grow up to a height of 3 to 5 feet. Musk rose. It can easily found in India with blooming season in May. The flower changes its color from purple brown to dark red. The time of full bloom with exceptional fragrance and appearance. Marigold. They are meant to add color and fragrance to your garden, with colors ranging from light yellow to golden brown. It has found its use in religious and medicinal areas. The extract from the flower is used as a food coloring agent and also keeping the pests away. Veronica. With a spike of 7 inches, the flower bloom over 12 to 24-inch plants with flower colored in red or blue. The flowering plant prefers sun in the northern hemisphere but likes a bit of shade in the southern hemisphere regions. Rose. This is a flower known to boost love and romance among people, and it's easily available in the summer season. With a little care and attention, the flowers can keep blooming throughout the season. Bougainvillea. It's an ornamental vine. Can cover the entire fence, pavement, or any nearby areas of your house. It is native of Brazil and blooms well in summer climate. Dahlia. There are multiple varieties of dahlias that arrive in multiple colors and sizes. The flowers consist of symmetrical bright color petals that grow with different types of nutritional requirements. Sunflower. With the ability to bear extreme summer temperature, it can be easily sprawl along your garden. You need to stop overwatering the plant as it weakens the support of a plant from the soil. cure process. The speciality of this flower is that it effortlessly grows in warm climates and without much care from the person involved in the gardening activities. Yarrow. It's one of the best flowering plants for summer. The plant can easily adapt to all weather conditions with minimal care requirements. Chrysanthemum. This autumn bloomer comes in color varieties such as red, orange, purple, white, and yellow. The flower has a short lifespan, which requires the plant to be grown every year for fresh blooms. Bear tongue. The semicore and party tube shaped flower is originally known as bear tongue or snapdragon and fits a perfect summer flowering plant. Pineapple lily. It belongs to the family of asparagus and grows well in warm climates. It's a good indoor household plant. You can easily grow in a flower pot with the height of 12 to 15 inches only. Daffodils. These are perennial flowers that usually blooms in the time of early, mid or late spring. Daffodils are available in various colors: yellow, orange, white, red, peach, with amazing fragrance. Zinnia. Although all the varieties of zinnia thrive well in hot weather, perfusion zinnia is well suited for hot climates. The perfusion white, orange, and cherry zinnia consist of daisy-like flowers that are best grown in a lawn. Lotus. Lotus is a common water plant and is also national flower of India. The flower comes in hues of bright pink and white, which will certainly add charm and elegance to your garden. Globe Amarnath, arriving in a variety of colors like white, red, pink, lilac, or purple. These flowers require full to partial shade along with moderate water. It's a clover-like plant which grows in hot regions. Oxalis. The flower is available in various colors and can be planted outdoor and indoor environment. It grows up to height of 6 inches and has a short flowering season of 8 to 10 weeks only. Perennial hibiscus. The other name of perennial hibiscus is rose mallow and swamp hibiscus. It belongs to the flower community of the eastern and southern region. Petunias, one of the most popular flowers among gardeners. It grows quickly. Petunias are available in pink, red, white, yellow, purple color, which can be easily used in hanging baskets and planters. Sea holly. It is a deep steel blue flower that produces stunning conical flowers which are surrounded by a rack of silvery spiky brackets. Coral bells. The flower is also known as alum root, which is widely known for its deep purple leaves. The tiny perennial flower blooms on stalk present above the leaves, appear in late spring season. Peony. The flower comes in a unique set of beauty and fragrance that can easily live for 100 years without much cure and maintenance, due to its ability to withstand cold weather also. They symbolize love, romance, and prosperity. Plumeria. This wonderful looking flower can be easily seen in tropical or subtropical regions. The tree of this plant offers amazing flower clusters in the color of white, red, pink, purple, and yellow. These flowers are mostly used in wedding jewelry and symbolize new beginnings, charms, and beauty. Pansy. These are perfect summer flowering plants that need to be grown annually. You can use these pansies in its containers, borders, and ground covers because they have a very charming appearance. Daylily. The flower comes in a variety of colors and grows well in different types of soil conditions. Daylily can be easily grown well in less water, light conditions, which keep them blooming throughout the summer. Purple coneflower. This daisy-like flower, having a height of 4 inches, comes in hues of pink and purple, which grows well in summer climate. It blooms in perennial manner, ranging from midsummer to autumn season. Lavender. Lavender is a perfect plant for summer conditions, as it loves hot climates. You can grow this flowering plant near patio or windows to offer a uniquely fragrant and beautiful picture to your home. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you find the video interesting. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the all new updates and videos. If you like this video, hit the like button and also share and comment. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.